Hi everyone! Let me start with a question. Have you ever worked really hard for something, but the result still was not what you expected? Maybe it was an exam, a competition, or a job application. I think most of us have experienced that. And let's be honest, failing does not feel good at all. It can be really frustrating. When we fail, our first thought is usually not, wow, what a great learning experience. No, sometimes it's more like, seriously, after all that work? As a university student, I used to take an unexpected result quite personally. When an outcome was not as I expected, I would immediately think, maybe I'm just not good at this. But after experiencing this a few times, I started to realize something important. Failing at something and being a failure are not the same thing. Our core mistake is that we treat failure as a judgment of who we are instead of a feedback on what we did. For example, if you get a disappointing grade, what does it actually tell you? It tells you that something about your preparation did not work. Maybe you studied too late or your method was not effective. But it does not tell you that you are incapable. It is just a feedback. Think about it like learning how to ride a bicycle. When you fell off a bicycle as a kid, uh, you did not decide that you were incapable of riding forever. You adjusted your balance, tried again, and eventually get better. Failure is an information. It tells us what we need to change. I remember recently preparing weeks for a program I really wanted. When the rejection arrived, I was deeply disappointed. I was just frustrated. And I think that's completely normal. And that's okay. We do not have to pretend that failure feels good. Sometimes failure is disappointing, sometimes it is frustrating. But after that initial disappointment, we can look at it again and think about what we can do differently next time. And this brings me to the main point of my speech. Uh, I don't think success and failure are simply two opposite outcomes. We often think about things as either you succeed or you fail, you get the good grades or you get the bad grades, you get accepted or you get rejected, you win or you lose. But in real life, real life is not always that simple. There is a lot of things that happens between those two outcomes. You can fail, learn something, improve, try again, and get a better result later. You can also succeed at something and still realize that there are things you need to improve. So, failure does not necessarily mean that you are moving away from success. Sometimes it's simply part of the process of getting better. Sometimes failure is simply one part of the journey between where we are right now and where we are want to be. I still don't like failing. I don't think anyone really does. But now, when something does not go according to plan, I try not to immediately see it as a proof that I can do something. Instead, I try to see it as an information. Something didn't work, and that's okay. I can learn from it, change my approach, and try again. So, The next time something does not go according to plan, don't automatically see failure as the opposite of success. Sometimes failure is not taking you away from success, it's showing you where you need to do next. Thank you.